We're gonna move into dancer pose. Go ahead and place your feet underneath your hips and your shoulders back and navel in and up. Shift your weight to the right leg and kick your left foot up. You can grab the outer grip or the inner grip. Just make sure that your knee stays face down. Make sure that your right hip doesn't go out too far. It's nice and lifted. So shoulders back, navel in and up. Go ahead and kick into that hand. You can keep it here. The more bent that you have it and face down, you're gonna stretch more of your quads. The more you kick it back, you're gonna stretch more of your iliopsoas and other hip flexor muscles here. So if your arm is out and you kick it back a little bit higher, you get more into the chest region. So if you can, just try to find a nice balance. You can always come out whenever you need to. And whenever you're ready, bring the knees straight down, gently release, and then go ahead and switch sides.